Hi, today we'll learn the phrasal verb abide by. What does it mean? It means to follow or obey a rule, law, or agreement. For example, you must abide by the school rules. Notice that abide by is inseparable. You cannot say abide the rules by. Always say abide by the rules. This phrase is common in formal English. People use it when talking about laws, contracts, or decisions. For example, they must abide by the judge's decision. It shows respect and agreement. You can also say, abide by the terms of a contract. Remember, abide by is different from follow. Follow is more general, but abide by is more formal. Also, don't confuse it with obey, which is used more with people. Try using abide by in sentences like, I will abide by the rules. We must abide by the law. This phrase helps you sound polite and professional. Practice makes perfect. Keep learning and see you next time.